Hello everyone, my name is Atharva Matere and today me and my group are going to present the topic Modes of Heat Transfer. Course name is Utilization of Electrical Energy and course code is 22626. These are my group members Atharva Dubey, Tejas Dheringe and Pranav Nemade. Topic Modes of Heat Transfer. So let's start off by understanding heat transfer and how it works. So basically heat transfer is a way in which heat moves from one physical system to another physical system or from one body to another body. It should be noted that for heat to transfer from one body to another body, there should be temperature difference between the two bodies that are being considered. Heat moves from body having higher temperature to the body having lower temperature. Heat transfer takes place in all states of matter, whether it be solid, liquid or gaseous. There are three modes of transfer. The first one is conduction, second one is convection, and the third one is radiation.
Conduction. In this mode of heat transfer, one molecule of the body gets heated and transfers some of the heat to the adjacent molecule and so on. There is a temperature gradient between the two ends of the body being heated. Consider a solid material of cross section A square meter and thickness x meter as shown in the figure. If T1 and T2 are the temperature of the two sides of the slab in degree K, where K is thermal conductivity of the material, then heat conducted between the two opposite faces in the time T seconds is given by H is equal to Ka, where K is thermal conductivity of the material and A is a cross section in square meter, in bracket T1 minus T2, where T1 and T2 are the temperature of the two sides of the slab, and in after bracket t small t, and divided by x, where x is thickness x meter.
After conduction, the next one is convection. Convection is the process of heat transfer by the bulk movement of molecules within fluids such as gases and liquids. The initial heat transfer takes place due to conduction process, but the bulk heat transfer in the convection process due to motion of fluids. Convection is held may be due to gravitational, electromagnetic or inertial body forces, because heat transfer by natural convection plays an important role in structure of Earth's atmosphere, its oceans and its mantle. The amount of heat dissipated in convection is given by H is equal to A in bracket T1 minus T2, where A is constant and T1 and T2 are the temperatures of heating surface and the fluid in degree Kelvin respectively.
Radiation is the emission or transmission of heat energy in the form of waves or particles through space or through a material medium. The rate of heat emission is given by Stephan's formula, which is given below. Here, K is the radiating efficiency and E is known as emissivity of the heating element. If D is the diameter of the heating wire and L its total length, then the surface area from which heat is radiated is equal to pi into diameter into its length. If H is the power radiated per meter square of a heating surface, then total power radiated as heat is equal to H into pi into diameter into length. If P is the electrical power input to the heating element, then P is equal to pi into D into L into H. The best example of radiation is the rays of the sun reaching the earth. As we know, the space does not have any medium. This proves that the radiation does not need any medium for travel.